As we prepare this delicious high-protein quinoa rice bowl. All details including affiliate links will be in the description box, and this is so delicious. Let's begin with cooking our chickpeas. Add in 40 ounces of water and 0.500 pounds of dried chickpeas. Cover and let's turn on our pressure cooker. We want to power on, select pressure cook, high heat, and use the plus button to increase the numbers and set it to 35 minutes. Let's check our chickpeas, and they are perfectly done. Definitely not too hard and not too soft. The Hourplay stream cooker does the job well. So we will strain and then work on cooking our quinoa. Add in 32 ounces of water. When it comes to boil, add in 0.300 pounds of quinoa. Stir and let boil for 10 minutes, and as we can see, it's coming together well. We will now strain just to make sure all excess water is separated from the quinoa, and we will put aside to begin our cucumber tomato salad. Add in 2 ounce tomatoes and cucumbers, 1.5 tablespoons of key lime juice squeezed, 0.20 ounce of onion, a 1/4 teaspoon of agave sweetener, and a pinch of sea salt. Stir and store in refrigerator. Adding in 1 teaspoon of avocado oil, 2 ounces of chopped onion and bell pepper, and 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. My pot was too hot, that's why I removed it from under the heat until it cooled down. And add in 4 teaspoons of water, and then 5 ounces of the prepped quinoa. And for seasonings, going in with a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, to a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and basil. We want to stir to ensure everything is combined and evenly spread. And this is our base for our meal, so let's plate and start cooking our chickpeas. Adding in 1 teaspoon of avocado oil and 1 tablespoon of onion, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. Stir. Next, add in 4 ounces of water and 3 ounces of prepped chickpea. For seasonings, a 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, basil, and 2 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder. Mix and cover with lid for 10 minutes on medium heat. If you want gravy, let it heat for only 5 minutes or simply add more water. Let's go ahead and plate with the quinoa. One teaspoon of avocado oil, squash, zucchini, onions, and bell peppers, and 2 ounce mushrooms. A 1/2 teaspoon of thyme, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 1/4 teaspoon of dried basil, and add in 3 teaspoons of water. And if you see your veggies start sticking to the pot, add a little bit water and season to taste. Add in a pinch of salt and let's mix once again. You can serve as is or let it cook some more if you desire. Let's put our veggies next to our chickpeas. Along with our cucumber tomato salad. And you can put as much avocado as you desire. And that's about it. If you would like to learn a one-on-one cooking class with me virtually on how to prepare this meal or any other meal, feel free to visit my website. And if you haven't subscribed as yet, consider subscribing for more videos similar to these. Thank you so much for watching.